So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can download the free 3D animated models. Like if you want animation of a person moving, the 3D model of moving, or a hand moving, or a dragon flying, you can download these free models, animated models. You don't need to manually animate them. These are pre-animated, so you can download these free models for free. So in order to download those, you need to open a website called free 3D. You can open that website on any browser you have. For example, if I search free 3D model on my Windows PC, this is the Chrome browser, and this first website provides the free 3D model. Just simply open this website. When you open this, now here you're gonna find the categories, and here you're gonna see this option of animated models. Just simply click on this, and when you click there, now these all the animation or the models that are there are the animated versions. Some of them are free and some of them are paid as well, but most of them are going to be free for you. So you can, for example, if I want a person moving animated model, I can just simply select this, and from here this green button, by hitting this green button, I can easily download them. You're gonna see all the different file formats you can download, and select them, and once you select them, the downloading has been you're gonna see it started. So by this method you can easily download the free 3D animated models. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.